Stick around to see how we made Forky using only household items, and this video is kicking off our Kids Craft Madness, where we post a new craft every day for National Craft Month. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright, let's grab our materials. We're going to need 1 red pipe cleaner, a spork, a popsicle stick, 2 asymmetrical eyes, a red marker, and 2 different colors of Play-Doh, a Sharpie, hot glue, scissors, and yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and get our spork out, and we're going to attach the eyes. Hey guys, if this is your first time finding me, I am Cheryl, the activity author, and I want you to go ahead and like this video because I know you like it, and make sure you scroll down to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post. Now the next thing I did was take my pipe cleaner and I basically wrapped it around and hot glued the center so that it stayed put, and just wrap it around. So after you're done forming his hands, you're going to go ahead and grab your popsicle stick for the feet. Now let me tell you about this feet part. You're going to cut this in half, of course, but I had a little trouble figuring out how to do the feet, y'all. So I tried to hot glue it together, which works perfectly. Hot glue your 2 feet together just like this, but you're not going to be able to hot glue Forky to the feet. I tried. Look at this fail.
Bruh.
See, so what you're gonna need to do is take some masking tape and attach the feet that way. So you basically start by putting one end around the base of the spork, excuse me, and then you're going to wrap it through his legs and around his back. Do it about 2 or 3 times until it feels really secure. And there you go. And I actually like this way. This actually lasts longer, and it looks like that gum that the gum that Bonnie used in the movie. So it does look like that gum, so use that. Now you're going to take your Play-Doh. I'm using blue because it's the closest color I have, and I'm going to use a tiny amount, and I'm going to roll it out until it's straight like this. Put a dot of glue, and I'm going to form his mouth. Okay, so you need the absolute minimal of this. I promise this stuff goes a long way. So use a little piece. Use the the rolling method to straighten it out and form his mouth. There we go. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing for his eyebrows. Take a very small amount, roll it like I'm doing here between your fingers, make it nice and skinny, and then just, he has a unibrow, so just put it on the top of his eyes. Alright, so he's almost done, but he needs an owner. So make sure you take that Sharpie out, put your name at the bottom of his shoe, or the bottom of his foot, excuse me, and then Sporky belongs to you, not Bonnie. He belongs to Kimmy. Alright, something's missing. Do y'all notice something missing? Oh yeah, the lipstick print that makes Forky look like he's blushing. So let's go ahead and add that really quickly. So to add his blush marks, all I did was I took a pipe cleaner, the other one I didn't use, and I used my red Crayola marker, and I'm just basically painting on his blush marks, aka the lipstick print. If you look at the movie, you'll see it. It looks like blush, but it's really somebody's old lipstick from using the Spork. And you know what, y'all? Fun fact, why do they not call Forky Sporky? He's a Spork. I don't get it. Anyway, he's done. Look at Forky. I want to call him Sporky so bad. Anyway, make sure you guys tag me when you do this craft. I want to see how yours turned out. And that's Forky. See you next time. Bye.